Good day everyone. My name is Aaron Paul Mamawag Agustin, and my topic is all about smart cities and critical infrastructures. Smart cities are the cities that use technology to improve the quality of life for the residents. They are more efficient, sustainable, and livable than traditional cities. Critical infrastructures is the infrastructure that is essential for the functioning of a city. It includes things like the power grid, the power supply, and the transportation system. Security is important for both smart cities and critical infrastructures. Smart cities need to be protected from the cyber attacks, and critical infrastructure needs to be protected from physical attacks. There are a number of advanced technologies that can be used to secure smart cities and critical infrastructure. These technologies include artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain. By using these technologies, we can create safer, more secure, and more sustainable cities. And the second slide is the importance of secure critical infrastructure. Number one, public safety. Secured critical infrastructure is fundamental to protect the health, safety, and well-being of citizens in smart cities. This includes infrastructures like power grids, water system, and transportation networks and communication system. If these systems are compromised, it can lead to widespread disruptions and endanger lives. The second one is threat protections. Comprehensive security measures are essential to shield vital assets from virus threats and attacks. Critical infrastructures is often targeted by malicious actors due to its importance. Robust security protocols such as encryptions, firewalls, and intrusion detection system and regular vulnerability assessment help to mitigate this risk. And the last one is service continuity. Resilience infrastructure is designed to ensure the uninterrupted delivery of essential services even during emergencies or disruptions. This involves having backup systems, redundant infrastructure, and disaster recovery plan in place. By maintaining continuity, critical infrastructures can quickly recover from incidents and minimize their impact on citizens and businesses. And the next slide is vulnerabilities in smart city system. Number one, outdated infrastructures. Legacy system in smart cities such as older software or hardware often lack modern cybersecurity features, making them susceptible to hacking and other cyber attacks. And the second one is interconnectivity risk. The interconnected nature of smart city system, while beneficial of efficiencies and data sharing, create numerous entry points for attackers to exploit. A breach in one system can potentially cascade to others. Next, lack of security protocols. Insufficient security measures such as weak passwords, unpatched softwares, or indicate encryptions leave smart city system vulnerable to data breaches, unauthorized access, and potential disruptions to service. And the last one is human error. Careless practices by individuals who manage or interact with smart city systems, like failing for phishing scams or mishandling sensitive data, can compromise the entire system security. These vulnerabilities highlights the importance of robust security measures in the development and maintenance of smart cities in infrastructures. It's crucial for smart cities to invest in regular updates, strong security protocols, and employee training to mitigate these risks and ensure the safety and resilience of their system. And the next slide is cybersecurity threats to smart cities. Number one, cyber attacks. Smart cities are vulnerable to various cyber attacks including hacking, malware infections, and data breaches. This attack can disrupt essential services like transportations, energy, and communications, posing a significant threat to public safety. The second one is IoT vulnerabilities. The increasing use of Internet of Things IoT device in smart cities creates new vulnerabilities. Unsecured IoT device can act as entry points for cyber criminals, allowing them to access and control larger systems and networks. This can lead to data theft, service disruptions, and potential harm to citizens. Number three, infrastructures disruptions. Attack targeting critical infrastructures such as power grids, water system, and transportation networks can cause widespread service outage, property damage, and even loss of life. The interconnected nature of smart city system makes them particularly susceptible to cascading failures, whereas single attacks can trigger a chain reaction of disruptions. And the last one is data privacy concern. Smart cities collect vast amounts of data from sensors, cameras, and other devices. If this data is not properly secured, it can be exploited by hackers for identity theft, surveillance, and other malicious purpose. This raises concerns about citizen privacy and the potential misuse of personal information. And the next slide is protecting critical infrastructures, strategies, and best practice. Number 1. Multi-layered security. A comprehensive security approach combining physical, cyber, and potential measure like physical security, French guards, surveillance cameras, and access control. And cyber security like firewalls, encryptions, intrusions detection system. And operational security, employee training, incident response plans, and regularly security assessment. And number 2, disaster recovery. Proactive planning to minimize the impacts of disruptions or attack. This includes procedures for like quickly restoring operations, mitigating the damage, and communicating effectively during the accidents. And number 4, continuous monitoring, actively identifying and addressing vulnerabilities and emerging threats. This can be done through vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, security audits, and threats intelligence gathering. And the last one is collaborative cybersecurity. Cross sectors, cooperative, and information sharing to enhance threat response by working together. Organizations can share information about threats and vulnerabilities, develop best practices, and improve their overall security posture. And the next slides is how do emerging technologies enhance smart city security? Emerging Emerging technologies enhance smart city security by providing tools for faster emergency response, improved threat detections, enhanced security of critical infrastructures, and more effective crime prevention. They enable better, sustainable awareness, data analysis, and automation, leading to safer and more resilient cities. Number 2, how do autonomous vehicle aid emergency response? Autonomous vehicle can quickly and safely transport first responders and supply to emergencies by passing traffic and potentially saving lives. They can also be used to evacuate people from dangerous situations. Number 3, how does facial recognition ensure public safety? Facial recognitions can identify and track suspects, missing persons, and other individuals of interest. This can help law enforcement prevent crime, apprehend criminals, and locate missing individuals. However, it is important to use this technology ethically and responsibly, considering privacy concerns. Next is what are the benefits of integrated security system? Integrated security system combine various technologies looks like surveillance cameras, access controls, and alarm system into a unified platform. This enhances security by providing a comprehensive view of the cities, enabling faster incident response and providing coordination between different security components and increasing situational awareness. Number 5, how does real-time threats detective improves resilience? Real-time threat detection system analyze data from various sources to identify potential threats as they emerge. This allowed to quicker response and investigation, reducing the impact of incidents such as cyber attacks, terrorist attacks, and natural disaster. Number 6, how the advanced capability secures urban infrastructures. Advanced capabilities like AI, machine learning, and blockchains can be used to monitor and protect critical infrastructures like power grids, water system, and transportation networks. These technologies can detect anomalies, prevent cyber attacks, optimize efficiencies, and enhance the overall resilience of urban infrastructures. And the last one, how do emerging innovations transform community security? Emerging Emerging innovations like smart street lights, gunshot detection system, and community engagement platforms can exchange community security. They can improve visibility, deter crime, facilitate communication between residents and law enforcement, and enable proactive crime prevention strategies. And the next slide is governance and regulatory frameworks for smart city security. Number 1, legal frameworks. Comprehensive law and regulation are the foundation of smart city security. They establish the legal requirements and standards that organizations and individuals must adhere to when designing, deploying, and operating smart cities technologies. These frameworks address issues such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and the ethical use of technology. Number two, policy directive. Clear policy guidelines from governance agency and regulatory bodies provide directions and guidance on implementing smart cities security measures. These directives outline best practice, recommended security controls, and specific requirements for different sectors and technologies. Number three, compliance monitoring. Regular audits and compliance checks are essential to verify that smart city system are organization adhere to established legal frameworks and policy directives. This assessment help identify potential vulnerabilities, ensure that security measures are implemented effectively, and hold stakeholders accountable for maintaining the security and resilience of smart city infrastructure. And the next slide is collaborations and stakeholders engagement. In smart city security, smart cities need a collective efforts from government officials, technology providers, infrastructures operators, and community leaders to ensure effective security strategies. Open communications, surge responsibility, trust building, and knowledge sharing are vital for coordinating efforts and protecting critical system. By aligning priorities and pooling resources, stakeholder can create a secure and resilient environment for smart cities initiatives. And next slide is resilience and disaster recovery planning. Number one, mitigations. Proactive measures are taken to minimize the impact of potential threats and critical infrastructures. This involves implementing robust physical security, example, fence, barrier, and cybersecurity measures, example, firewalls, and encryptions. Number two, recovery. Comprehensive disaster recovery plans are developed to quickly restore essential services and systems in the event of an incident. This ensures minimal disruptions to the city's operations and the well-being of its residents. Number three, collaborations. Cross-sectors collaboration between various stakeholders, governance agencies, businesses, and community organizations is fostered to ensure a coordinated and effective response to incidents. This helps build resilience across the entire smart cities ecosystem. And the last slides is solutions and future outlooks. As we explore the critical challenges and strategies for securing smart cities, it clears that this is an ongoing journey. Emerging technologies and evolving threats will continue to shape the futures of urban infrastructure security. And that's all. Thank you.